Friends, in this video, we discuss about laws of indices of chapter number 3, indices and cube root. So friends, to get more video on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Students, if any number can be replaced in the index form, for example, number 8 can be replaced in the factor 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 is repeated 3 times. Therefore, we can write 2 raised to 3 or power of the 2 is 3. Therefore, 2 raised to 3 is the index form of 8. In this index form, this number shows index and this number is known as base. If we discuss about more than one index, then it is known as indices, or it is plural form of index. First law of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n. In this rule, base are equal and indices are m and n. It can be expressed as a raised to m plus n. It means addition of both indices. For example, 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2. How can write? By this rule, base are equal, therefore 3 is base and index, addition of 2 index 5 plus 2. Therefore, its answer is 3 raised to 5 plus 2, 7. 3 raised to 7. Second rule, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. It can be expressed a raised to m minus n. Example, 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 9. By this rule, we can write base are equal 3 and m minus n. It means subtraction between indices 7 minus 9. Therefore, answer is 3 raised to 7 minus 9 minus 2. Third rule, a into b bracket raised to m. It can be write a raised to m into b raised to m. For example, 5 into 7 bracket raised to 2. That means we separate the index 5 raised to 2 and take 7 raised to 2. Fourth rule says a raised to 0. The value of a raised to 0 is always 1. If we take a equal to 100, a equal to 1000, that means 100 raised to 0, 1000 raised to 0, always value is 1. For example, 5 raised to 0 is 1. Fifth rule, a raised to minus m. Now a raised to minus m, we can write 1 upon a raised to plus m. If we change the number from numerator to denominator, then its index, sign of index also change. Therefore, 5 raised to minus 3 can be write in this 5 raised to 3. In this form, 5 raised to 3. Now, sixth rule, a raised to m and bracket raised to n. It means the multiplication between two index a raised to m into n. Therefore, in this 6 number example, 3 raised to 4 and bracket raised to 5. Answer is 3 raised to 4 into 5. Therefore, 3 raised to 4 5s are 20. Answer is 3 raised to 20. Now, second rule, seventh rule, a upon b bracket raised to m. Again, similarly by this rule, if we remove this bracket, then we can write separate index of a and b, a raised to m upon b raised to m. For example, 5 upon 7 bracket raised to 3. How to write? 5 raised to 3 upon 7 raised to 3. Eighth rule, a upon b whole bracket raised to minus m. If we replace a by b and b by a, that means we change the place of both number. That means we can write a by b as b by a. Then the sign of index change. For example, 5 upon 7 bracket raised to minus 3, it can be write 7 upon 5 bracket raised to plus 3. And last rule is a raised to 1. The value of a raised to 1 is a. That means for any value of a, 10 raised to 1 can be write 10 only. It means if we take 49 raised to 1, therefore its value again 49. In this way, we learn all the rules of indices. Thank you for watching my video.